Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So on today's video I'll be showing you how to revive your curls, or rather how to make your curls pop again. Yeah, whatever you may call it. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and comment on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. With any further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see already, I'm starting by sectioning my hair. So yeah, this is actually a curl. I've had this curls like it's quite a while now. I think 3 years. Yeah, and I've always done this trick to get them pop again. So yeah, just section my hair. You can section the curls in any way that you like, or any preference of yours. I just section mine this way. It's more easier for me to work with my curls. So up next, I will be combing the curls. Make sure that you comb them, more especially if they have knots. Yeah, comb those curls, girl. Don't be afraid, because after combing them I'll show you what to do next. So just make sure that you comb them so that it can be more easier for you to work with the curls. Even under your curls, just comb those curls. And I use this comb normally. It's the best comb that helps with this first step that I'm doing. And then the next step is mixing your water. This is just a bottle mixed, it has water, just plain water. And then I'm gonna put my conditioner inside that bottle. And yeah, this is an organic conditioner, and it's for all hair types, so it works with these curls wonders. So I'll just shake my bottle to make sure that my conditioner is well mixed with my water. And then I will go ahead and spray my curls. Yeah, that's basically what I will do throughout my hair. You'll make sure that you comb your hair first, spray your hair, and while you're spraying, make sure that you run your hair with your hand, so that it can be easy for the curls to bounce up again. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm just going to be doing throughout this curl revival routine. Yeah, it's easy as ABC. So I've seen other people also adding oil. So any choice, any preference of yours, any oil that you like to add, you can add it in there. I've heard that coconut oil is the best, so you can add coconut oil inside your water bottle. It's also good as well. So I just use this two only, water and conditioner only. So yeah, this is just how I do my revival step curls. Yeah, whatever you may call it, but make sure that when you're done with the first section, make sure that you tie your section that you are done with. Yeah, so that it doesn't get in the way when you do the other section. So up next I'll be using my olive oil gel. Yeah, any gel that you have, I believe it can work, but do not use a firm holding gel. Yeah, it shouldn't be like a gel that slicks your hair, no, because this gel that I'm using, it is non-drying. It's very good for curls. Yeah, just to put my curls in place. Yeah, so that's it for this part of the curl activation or revival. So you can wait for 20-30 minutes to try it out. It's up to you. So yeah, I'll just go on with my comb as well, just to make sure that everything is as smooth as possible. This is the final look, my loves. Yeah, it is very easy to achieve this revival curl steps. Yeah, so this is how I do it. Yeah, I was really feeling these curls as I was doing this dancing, head dancing kind of thing. Yeah, I was really feeling them because, like, who wouldn't feel good on something that's actually good? Yeah, I know these are not like the best curls ever, most especially my closure, but I love these curls, hey. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like. I will see you on my next video. Bye la.